Hey everyone, I want to walk you through my custom 6.8 Western build that I'm putting together. I also want to show you the first couple groups that I've shot out of it with some factory ammo, and I'll walk you through my reloads that I've put together for it. I'm putting this video together because I have not seen anyone on YouTube highlighting a custom 6.8 Western rifle. I've seen a handful of guys with factory rifle offerings shooting factory ammo and a few of their reloads. So let's get into it. At the heart of the rifle, we have a Defiance Anti-X with the Magnum bolt face. This is the short action variant. I've paired that up with a Ramage style barrel from Carbon 6. It is a 20-inch barrel with the featherweight profile on it, and that is 0.750 inches in diameter at the muzzle. It also has a 1 in 7 twist. And we've got the 2A armament flash hider on it for now until my suppressor clears the ATF. This is MDT's new HNT 26 chassis, carbon fiber fore end. We've got the magnesium main housing where the action is seated, and our carbon fiber buttstock that is foldable. I did replace the carbon fiber grip that came with the chassis, specifically this one, and opted for a Magpul slim grip as it fit my hand better and gave me what I felt better control of the rifle. Paired that up with a TriggerTech special 2-stage trigger that is adjustable, and I've got the MDT short action Magnum magazine that has the overall length internal of 2.955. So that is the seating depth that I am working with on my reloads. Up top, I have a set of ultralight Night Force 30mm rings. As you can tell, I'm missing the scope. That is the one rifle component that I am still deciding on which one I want to get. All right, here it is folded up. It is a pretty compact package. I'll be using this rifle for hunting season this fall, and specifically backpack hunting, and just in general long-range shooting. So the folding stock was a requirement of mine prior to putting this build together. These are the initial groups that I had shot out of the rifle after I had headspaced it and put all the components together for it. I just used a 4-power scope that I had on hand, and this is at 100 yards. This is with the 175 grain Sierra tipped Game King that Browning offers, and like I said, they're at 100 yards. The groups measure approximately 0.875 inches, and with that 175 grain out of my 20-inch barrel, I'm respectively getting 2,700 feet per second as measured by my lab radar. I'm going to reshoot these groups again with the scope that I plan to put on the rifle to see if I can't tighten up these groups with the higher magnification. All right, these are the reloads that I've put together for my rifle, minus this fella here. This is the factory 175 grain Sierra Tip Game King. As you can see, I repurposed the brass that comes with the factory ammo for my reloads, as nobody's really making any quality brass right now for the 6.8 Western. Other components I've got are the Winchester 6.5 stay ball and the CCI Magnum large rifle primers. For bullets, I have chosen to try out the Berger's 170 grain EOLs and the 168 grain Hammer Hunter. This is an all copper bullet made right here in Montana. And respectively, this is what my reloaded ammo looks like. This is the 170 grain Berger EOL. And like I said, this brass has been once fired through my chamber. I've trimmed it back to 2.015 inches with the 2000 shoulder bump. And this is the 168 grain Hammer Hunter. Same thing, same dimensions, 2000 shoulder bump, trimmed to 2.015 inches, and the overall length on these are 2.957 to be exact. All right, well, thanks for watching, you guys. Like I said, when I get my scope chosen for the rifle, I'll revisit the factory ammo and I will shoot the reloads through it, and I will show you the results of that. If you guys have any questions on the build itself and or the reloads that I've put together for it, please drop them in the comments and I will be around to answer them.